I know it's locked, don't worry.
Nung pababa na yung ano.
1 week kayo, mami, bago bumaba ang tubig.
Wala ba?
Oo, 1 week.
No.
Sinelas mo, nakita mo na dyan.
Ading,
Oo.
we'll get back and filming. Ading, move your point. Move your point. I want to.
Nakano kayong washing machine mo sa labas?
Hindi, sa loob.
Sa loob din pala.
Naipasok lahat, diba?
Oo nga. Yung picture mo, nabungan na. Wala na. Kasi 6 months na eh. September, March na. Pero hugasan ko.
Unbelievable.
Ni mother, mami. Oh.
Unbelievable.
Sinugasan mo na ba? Pinatira. Hindi naman. Hindi naman siya gagahan na yung super mo. Yung picture lang ang wala na. Yung picture talaga.
Where's my piano?
Yeah.
What? Jesus Christ!
There.
I can't believe it! Can't believe it!
Bakit na piano ito namin, di ba?
Jesus Christ, that is my piano
Oo.
on its side. The piano stool. My God. Let's see the piano keys. What? This would be a write-off. What a disaster. My God. Then, how can
Hindi nag-cam, yung nag-sale, yung believe me.
Jesus, I had no idea it was going to be this.
Ayoko na to, ha?
Oo.
Ako na nag-check dito.
Jesus
Ano to?
Christ.
Ano yung mga pictures?
That's a washing machine. That's a fridge. About 30 feet from where it was before. What's this? Another fridge? 2 fridges? Oh yeah.
Look, the fridge, the washing machine.
My God, this is the kitchen. Jesus Christ.
Sabi ko ba?
Unbelievable.
Balot pa natin.
So the watermark in the room is about 7 feet, and we're 5 or 6 feet from the pavement.
Yan.
Look at this wood here, it's just destroyed.
Siguro, mami, yung
It's like a
lalim ng tubig
fire, not a
sa
flood.
kalsada, mga siguro mga 12 hanggang 13.
My God,
Lalapas yung mga dalawa.
the floor is just unbelievable.
Mami, ito yung mga sa iyo, no?
Right. Broken glass everywhere here.
Ah, bakit ang dati ko?
Hindi.
My God, it's like a bomb.
Kung pwedeng i-glow.
Jesus.
Ako, may glasses.
Ah, you can see on the steps exactly how high it got up to. Look, it's up to, oh my God, it's about 10 feet inside. What the hell?
Malaki yung nabasa ko.
Jesus Christ. You can tell exactly where it is. Look, this step is brown.
May
My God. There's the mark there where the water reached. That is how high? 6, 7, 8. That is about 8 feet inside the house and 5 feet from the street. It's 12, 13 feet deep. Unbelievable.
Diba, second floor
Ooh.
hanggang tubig pa tubig.
What
paano sila nagtulugan?
disaster. What a disaster. This is 6 months after the... And it's about 100 degrees now and dry. And hopefully the aircon is working upstairs. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Now the back door. Oh! What's happened here? Oh my God, the back door has just peeled off. I cannot believe it. It must have been soaked for weeks. Unbelievable. The screen is still intact, I think. The mosquito screen. No. What a state. God. Jesus Christ.
That's what I'm telling you, it's not worth.
And you know what? It's not your responsibility, it's Gloria's.
No.
It's Gloria's, we're not going to clean it. My God. Absolutely unbelievable. Devastation everywhere. Memories all gone. And there's me. Shattered. My piano destroyed. £3,000 worth of piano destroyed. And priceless memories and work in this house and for nothing. All gone. That's all for now. I'm exhausted. I must have a drink. I'll see you later. Bye.